Over the past few weeks, we've talked about when someone dies, how greedy the family members can get about picking things out of the house. So now we're going to flip things today, and we're going to talk about the other problem, and that is family members who obligate people to hold on to things. So the instance that comes to mind, first of all, for me, was years ago. I was working on a crew helping pack up a woman to move her to a retirement home. And I'm in the bedroom working with the woman, and we get in the back of her bedroom closet, and I pull out this lamp, and it was badly broken at one point and really poorly repaired. I mean, it was bad. And I looked at it, I said, we can toss this, right? We can let this go. Oh no, that was my mother's. I'm not allowed to let that go. And I looked at it and went, well then, let's see if we can find someone who can do a proper restoration on it, and then you can use it. Oh no, I don't like that lamp, and it's not worth anything. I'm not going to put money into it. I said, so what do you want to do going forward? Wrap it up very carefully, and we'll put it in the back of my closet when we get to the new place. That was an obligation. So many times when I'm working with clients, I've come across things and they've been like, well, this was my mother's or this was my grandmother's, and my mother said I'm never allowed to let this leave the family. And I said, is it something you like or something you want? Well, no. And I'm like, I give you permission. It's okay to let it go. Mom's not here anymore. And if it's not something you want or something that serves you or something you have room for, it's okay to let it go. And you should see the relief these people have that they're allowed to let this stuff go. Some of you have contacted me and said, I have boxes of stuff that my parent told me, I can't just give it away. I have to hold on to it because it's worth a lot of money and I don't know what to do with it. Well, you see if you can find someone who can tell you whether it is worth something or not. And if it's not, let it go. It's okay. But please do not obligate your children to take things. That is an emotional weight that is a lot to bear, and it plays out sometimes for multiple generations. Everybody has their own house and their own stuff, and maybe there are things of yours that they'd like to have, but just because it's important to you doesn't mean it's going to be important to them. So don't put that weight on them. Don't force them to do that. And if you're holding on to stuff because someone said that to you, I give you permission to let it go. It's okay. If you found this video to be helpful, please leave me a comment. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so you'll see more of my videos in the future.